So today I want to do a quick review on these Volt well lights that I installed in the concrete when I expanded my porch in the front of my house. Now we have these stone pillars behind here, and I wanted to make sure I was able to illuminate them with a soft light. And what better way than to get these lights right here, and basically the housing itself on top, you have a grate that protects your eyes from straight up blinding somebody. So that way the light itself shines up, but it's only going to hit the area that you are going to be aiming it at. Inside is a bowl that you're able to adjust to a certain degree in case you wanted to make sure the light was tilted a little bit more forward rather than straight up and down. And the housing itself, since they didn't fit the modification that I had in here, they normally come with a black PVC pipe that goes off the bottom of it. I was able to remove that, and honestly, I was able to just get a 3-inch PVC pipe that this fits perfectly in. So they are low voltage, so it connects to all my exterior landscape low voltage lights, and it comes on from dusk till dawn. Definitely recommend this product to anybody looking for a well light to illuminate a special feature that's either on a wall or, of course, a column. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.